In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable noise cancelling with one earbud on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So you may have noticed that whenever you're wearing one bud, should you switch to choose to turn on noise cancelling, it's telling you to put both your buds to continue. However, the workaround for that is you can simply go ahead and just navigate to your Buds 4 Pro settings page. And then from here, you want to scroll and select the option Accessibility. Next, tap on Noise Controls with one earbud and just ensure that this feature is enabled. Once you've successfully confirmed that it's turned on, this will now allow you to customize the noise controls for any single earbud. So go ahead and go back to the main page and then now try turning on active noise cancelling. You can see it's now successfully turned on, which means you can use it with just one earbud. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.